Well, hey folks, this certainly isn't the video I had planned for you today, but as you all know, in the real world, life doesn't always go according to plan. It's been a week from hell, I'll tell you. On Tuesday, Lori and I both became deathly ill. We've been sick as heck all week. She's starting to show a little bit of improvement, but with my immune system being compromised from the other crap I've been dealing with, I've been sleeping about 20 hours a day. So needless to say, I haven't done any editing or filming or anything. I know a lot of you folks really look forward to the Sunday videos. I love all your comments that you have your morning coffee with them, etc. And I didn't want you logging in and not finding one and then logging in several times looking for it. I just wanted to give you something, let you know what's going on. And I'm going to end this with a happy little clip, which was actually going to be the beginning clip of this vlog. And this is as far as I got. So I'll just put that at the end so we can part out with a happy note. Yeah, so tomorrow, if I'm not showing any improvement, I'm going to get down the mountain and go to the hospital. Because this has been rugged, but I'll spare you the details. So, if you start to feel some burning in your chest, man, double up on those vitamin C's because you don't want this thing, I'll tell you. I don't know where this thing came from, but it's a doozy. So, enjoy the little clip. I will be back in action when I'm up to it. Whether I post a video next Sunday, I don't know. I will do my best. I always do my best. But this is life. My vlogs are what they are. I share my life with you, and this is life. This is our real life, and I'm sick as hell right now. All right, double up on those vitamin C's, and I will see you as soon as I can. God bless.
Wonderful thing. Somebody posted in my video the other day, "You're nothing but a no-good killer, boss," in regards to the mice. What do you think? Am I nothing but a no-good killer? The bird in the hand is better than two undefeated.
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go, there's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss. Frankie and the boss.